So we had to take 3 days off because it got so goddamn cold up here in northern Ontario that it was uncomfortable to be laying on the concrete slabs there. So we're on to the last step here. We're welding the two bottom rails on the frame. This 3/8 plate, or 3/16 rather. So as you can see, it's tacked along the bottom there. And Tom's putting the back end on. It's hard to weld that metal. You're dealing with two different thicknesses, but we're going to make the best job we can. It should last a while. After those two bottom plates, we're going to put another spray of oil inside the frame and put those two patches in. Seal her up for the final phase of the Toyota's life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment, like or dislike. Tell me to go take a hike. Anyways, thanks for watching.